Hi friends, now I will show you how to update the multiple documents with a single command. We have seen already save method. By using save method, we can update or we can replace only one existing document, but I want to update multiple records with a single command. So this is the syntax: db.collection_name.update selection criteria and update data. So this is for whatever the data we want to update, and this is selection, which records we have to update. Then in AudiBMS we are using update table name set whatever the data we want to update by using set option, and then we will use the where condition that will reflect the which documents we have to update it. In the same way, this will act as a here whatever we are specifying, that will be where condition, and here the documents what we have to update, what data we have to update. Let's see. By default, MongoDB will update only single document. To update multiple, you need to set a parameter multi is true. If you are not specifying multi option, then it will update only one document only. It will not update all the matched documents. If you want to update all the matched records, then we have to specify the multi option is true, or we have to use update many to update all matched records of the condition. If the documents are satisfying the condition, then we have to update all the matched documents by using multi option or update many. If you use update, then you have to use multi. If you are not using multi, then use update many. If you are not using multi or update many, then if you use single update without multi option, then it will update single record only. We'll see practically, then you will understand. This is the current database that connected. Let's see collections. What are the collections are there inside? We'll verify the data documents inside of the employees collection. Find method is used to retrieve the documents from the collection. So these are the three documents we have, and I want to update Charan's salary. Charan's salary. There is no salary mentioned here. I want to update Charan's salary. One moment. I will insert few more documents to see the difference. Okay, we have all these documents. Now I wanted to update a few documents. How we will update the documents? Let's see. IT department is there. I want to update IT department members' salaries. I wanted to increase. So whatever the salary for those members in IT department, everyone's salary should be 2 lakhs. Here, almost everywhere 1 lakh is there, but I wanted to update IT department's salary 2 lakhs. Let's see. db dot update dot employees collection, right? YEES employees dot update. I'm not using update many. Let's see. Update department is IT. And department IT, whoever is there, those members' salary should be 2 lakhs. So this is the condition. Where condition? In AudiBeamers. Here also, this is the condition, first one, and now I am going to this is for updating. Set I am using to update the salaries. Department IT is IT employees salaries should be 2 lakhs. Then I am going to update all the documents, but I'm not using multi. Then will it update all the IT department employees? No, it will update only this record, only this document. David's salary only it will update. But what about others? So we have to use multi or update many. So now I will show you only it will update only one. See, one matched, one modified, but it matches department IT. 4 members are there, but it updated only one. Why? Because I am not using multi or many. Just use multi option. That's it. Just use multi is true. That's it. Syntax. We have to specify the multi option in the braces. Syntax error. So that's it. 4 is matched, but 3 modified. Why? Because already one document already updated. Salary is 2 lakh. So that remaining it's updated 3 documents. See, all remaining 3 it's updated by using multi option true. We'll see the update many also. finance documents is there, right? Finance department documents 1 and 2. Okay, IT department only. Take the IT department. Four employees are there. At one shot, we'll update by using update menu. Okay, same department is IT. I don't want to use multi option, so I'm removing the multi option. I wanted to use update menu. Okay, but salary will change it to some other different. Okay, 1,50,000. So 2 lakhs we updated already. So now update menu, it updates 4 documents. We'll see now. See, 4 matched, 4 it's updated. See, 1,50,000. All IT department employees salary is updated to 1,50,000. So we can use multi option or update many is useful to update the multiple documents. So this is the way to update the documents in MongoDB. Save method is used to update single document. So for every document we have to use the save method. So if I want to update multiple documents, then I have to use update many or multi option in the update method. That's all. Please subscribe, please share. Thank you very much for watching my videos.